Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a quick unboxing of iPhone 12 Pro Max. I just received the shipment and I'm going to do the quick unboxing and then I will do the hard reset. I'll open it. It comes with the lightning cable. This is the pouch which contains the ejector pin and manual and the logo. All other accessories you buy it separately. Very nice, beautiful iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'll start it. This is first time of restarting it. As video purposes, I'm going to skip through. It may take few minutes to activate your phone. Now here on our screen, welcome to iPhone. This is very beautiful iPhone Pro Max, and now I'll share with you how to reset it. The only reason we're going to reset, if your iPhone application got corrupted or you want to reset your phone for any reason. If you have photos and your data on your iPhone, then please back up, then reset. And one important tip, if you have iCloud password on it, then don't reset it if you forgot the password. If you know your iCloud password, then you reset it. So I'll show you. You go to settings, under general, scroll up, and it says reset. We're going to press it. The second one, we're going to select erase all content and settings. Ask for the confirmation, raise iPhone, and it will ask one more time. We're going to press it again, and it started erasing. It will take it its own time, and within a couple minutes it will delete all the information from your iPhone and it will restore back to the original factory setting. It's all done on our welcome screen. As a video purposes, I'm going to skip through. We all done. So that's how it's easy and simple to reset your iPhone 12 Pro Max. And only reason you do it if your phone got corrupted and you have any corrupted application and you want to restore back to your original factory setting. So if you found this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.